Good morning, kiddos. It's Mrs. Gershon here. Today we're going to be working with the vowel A, but we're going to be listening for two sounds. We're going to be listening for the A sound, like in the word cat. That is the short vowel sound. And we're going to be listening for the R sound, like in the word star. Because when A is placed with an R, the R becomes bossy, and you really only hear the R. So we're going to go through our words today. And then we will go ahead and do a little practice sort and try to find our oddball. So we have the word car, drag, snap, art, trap, dark, park. Then we have far, crab, bark, war, yard, brag, arm. Then we have farm, jar, crash, card, R, shark, and part. So let's go ahead and look and listen at the word. Look and listen and read the word cat. When we say cat, we're focusing on the A this week. We know that we hear the A sound. So when I come down into my first column, I see the word drag. When I say drag, again, I'm focusing on the A sound. What sound is the A making? And when I say drag, I hear A, just like in the word cat. So any of the words that have the A sound are going to be this in the same sort and use the same pattern as the word cat. Let's look at our next word, star. We hear R when we say star. So I'm going to read the words and listen to see if I hear the R sound, like in the word car. So car and star, the A is making the same sound because the R is bossy. It's being controlling over the A, so you really only hear the R sound. And finally, we do have an oddball this week. Here's our oddball. Okay, so when I'm reading through the words, I notice the word war. It has AR in it, but it's not saying R like in the word star and card, it's saying or. Let me go ahead and write that in here so you can see it. It's saying OR instead of R. So that is spelled like star and car, but it is not following the same sound pattern. So war is going to be your oddball this week. All right, kiddos, make sure you really take your time, say the words, listen to what the A sound is making, and happy sorting.